こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today kanji video number 24 of JLPT N4. In the end of each video, I always talk only in Japanese with subtitles in Japanese and also in the normal speed. So please stay till the end to listen to that. Actually, it doesn't matter if you don't understand them all. Just to get accustomed to it. This kanji means both, two parts, and we pronounce ryo, ryo. Stroke order. At first, this red line going a little bit going up, and now this black one, 2, and the third like this, 3, and going down, and here you jump. And now from this one, here in the center of this line, in the middle, going down, straight down till here, not too long. And here, this part is like mountain, yama. Now this one, like this, the red one, and finally this one, the black line. Adding this kanji of parent, oya, but here we pronounce shin, ryoshin. It means parents, both mother and father. With this kanji, ryoho, this means both parts. Then the contrary is kataho. Kataho, this means one side or one part of the pair. When we say the other one, the other part, then we usually say mo kataho. We use this adverb mo, but it's okay if you don't say with mo, only kataho. But we usually say mo kataho. Socks, 靴下 or socks. Oh, I can't find the other sock. もう片方の靴下が見つかりません。もう片方の靴下が、はい、見つかりません。Both eyes, 両目。But when we say 片目、片目, it means only one eye. Watch only with one eye. 片目で見てください。片目で見てください。Both ears. 両耳。両耳。But if I wanna say 片耳、片耳, it means only one ear. 両手。Both hands. 両手 only one hand. 片手だけ。片手だけ。Both legs or both feet. 両足。Only one leg or only one foot. 片足 or 片足だけ。One-sided love. One-way love. 片思い。This comes from 思い、思います。To think. To think of you or something like this. Think, 思い。And 片 this is only one side. So 片思い。One-sided love. Maybe I love you but you don't. 片思い。Mutual love. Mutual feeling. 両思い。I love you and you love me. Exchange. In many occasions, we mean money. This is 両替。The verb to exchange money. 両替します。Money exchange counter or currency exchange office. 両替所。This 所, this is ところ. This means the place. Please exchange Japanese yen to US dollars. Japanese yen, we say 日本円, 日本円. And this is the symbol. And I made a mistake. Not like this, but like this. This one from here. US dollars. 米ドル. This 米, the kanji of 米, the rice, this means United States. So 米ドル. And this is the symbol. European euro. 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 And this is the symbol. 日本円を米ドルに両替してください。日本円を米ドルに両替してください。This kanji means elder brother, ani, or we can also pronounce K or kyo. Stroke order, it's very easy. At first, this one, mouth, kuchi, but 1, 2, 3, a little bit like this, okay? And now this part, it's like the legs. And at first, this green one, like this, and then this red one, the first going down and going your right, and the finally jump like this. This is the irregular way to pronounce, but we use like this. Oni-san, elder brother, and this part of ni we can use with this kanji. Oni-san. Both ani and oni-san mean elder brother. Then the difference. Oni-san you can use anytime. This is universal. You can use oni-san to your own elder brother or also to the elder brother of other persons. Oni-san. Or also you can say oni-chan with more lovely way. Oni-chan, very close. It sounds so close. Oni-chan. But ani, you can only use to your own elder brother. Never use to the other person's elder brother. Ani, because this sounds very formal way, but to your own, because this is formal, but this is like a modesty. So you are not going to use modesty words to other persons, to your own thing or to your own family. There's only one word to say little brother, younger brother, ototo. This is for your own little brother or for other person's little brother too, ototo. Maybe you can distinguish when you talk about your own little brother, you say, 私の弟, or 僕の弟. But when you are talking for other person's younger brother, then you can say, 弟さん. There are some onyomis, for example, dai, tei, de. I think this kanji is quite difficult to write beautifully. Well, try. At first, this red one, a little bit going inside, and 2, this black one. But you must begin higher place from here, like this 2. 1, 2. The third, this blue one from here, like 1, and going inside. And the fourth from here, the green line from here, going this way. Now this red one from here, from this green one here, going outside, like this, not going down, going a little bit outside. Then, and this one, this length is about the same as this space, okay? Then going like this, going a little bit up, and very longer than here. Then you are going a little bit inside and jump. And now the last 2 lines from here, from the center, going straight down. And this is the longest one. This is more down, below than this one. And now from here, going like this blue line. Putting together these 2 kanjis, ani, the elder brother, ototo, younger brother, and together we pronounce kyodai. And kyodai means brothers or brothers and sisters. It doesn't mean only that must be the elder brother. Can be elder sister too. So when we say kyodai, it can be brothers or brother and sisters. For example, do you have brothers? 兄弟はいますか? 兄弟はいますか? How many brothers do you have? 兄弟は何人ですか? or 兄弟は何人いますか? I've got 2 brothers. 兄弟が2人います. Then in this case, you've got 2 brothers and you. So in your family, there are 3 children. So how can we say we are 3 brothers and sisters? 3人兄弟です. 3人兄弟です. Adding this kind of co-child with younger brother, then we pronounce 弟子、弟子。It means disciple, apprentice, follower or pupil, student. In the left part, this is like a woman, and here in the right part, she, this means the market. And together, one kanji, this is elder sister, 姉、姉, or we can also pronounce し. If you can remember this kanji, し, this can be the marketplace or also the city, し. Then this is し. So in altogether, this kanji in onyomi also we pronounce し. The stroke order, at first this part of the woman, the red one, one, and the black one from here going down, two like this. And now from here, the third one, the blue one, and going up. And now the right part, shi, but we learned it already, okay? But 1, 2, and 3, 4, and here a little jump. And from here, the long line going straight going down. Very irregular way to pronounce お姉さん or お姉ちゃん, the elder sister. And the part of ne, we write with this kanji. This happens the same as お兄さん. Well, in case of お姉さん, you can use this word お姉さん for elder sister anytime, for your own elder sister or for the other person's elder sister too. But ane is only for your own elder sister. This kanji of elder sister and this kanji of younger sister together, shimai, shimai. And this means only sisters. There's no brother. Sisters, only sisters. Then you can say shimai. This is very irregular way to read. Itoko. Itoko. This means cousin. Itoko. When we write with this kanji, then it means male cousin. And when we write with this kanji, female cousin. Itoko. But this is complicated. So we usually eat itoko in hiragana, and it means only cousin. Sister city. Shimaitoshi. Shimaitoshi. Sister school. Affiliated school. Shimaiko. Shimaiko. And this ko comes from gakko, school. Sister product. So they are the products and they are quite similar, or they've got the same concept. This is shimai-hin. Shimai-hin. Now a quiz time with 5 translations into Japanese. 1番目. How many siblings do you have? Or how many brothers and sisters do you have? 2番目. Tokyo has got 12 sister cities. 3番目. I borrowed money from my parents. 4番目. My elder brother gets up at 7 every morning. 5番目. 最後です。My younger brother watch movies every Saturday. Now you learned many kanjis of family. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you will help me a lot, please. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. Then you can learn Japanese with me. いかがでしたか？今日も前回に引き続き家族の漢字を勉強しました。漢字は少しずつの積み重ねがとても大事です。急に一日にたくさん覚えて、明日ももっとたくさん。それはちょっと無理だけれど、1週間に5つぐらいの漢字なら大丈夫ですよね。私のビデオを見ながら少しずつ頑張って覚えていきましょう。まだ4級の漢字は難しすぎないし、とても基本の漢字ですから絶対に覚えておいた方がいいと思いますよ。私のビデオを見逃さずにいつも見てくだされば確実に少しずつ ちゃんと日本語を勉強することができると思います。皆さんが少しでもよく分かってくれるように丁寧に説明しています。ですから私のチャンネルを応援して、そしていつも見に来てくださったら本当に嬉しいです。できたら嬉しいコメントも残してくだされば嬉しいです。私は必ず全部読んでいます。私のチャンネルに来てくださっている方がどんな方だか知りたいです。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。今日もよく頑張りましたね。ここまで見てくださって本当にどうもありがとう。じゃあね、またね。